Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. AWS Lambda is a serverless computing service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS, that allows you to run code without provisioning or managing servers. In this tutorial, we will explore AWS Lambda's Python support, demonstrating how to create a simple Lambda function using Python and deploy it on AWS. AWS Account, ensure you have an AWS account. If not, you can sign up here. AWS CLI, install the AWS Command Line Interface, CLI, on your local machine. You can find installation instructions here. Python, make sure you have Python installed on your local machine. Open a terminal and configure the AWS CLI with your AWS credentials. Follow the prompts to enter your AWS Access Key ID, secret access key, region, and output format. Let's create a simple Python Lambda function that returns a greeting. Create a file named lambda_function.py with the following content. This function takes two parameters, event and context. The event parameter contains information about the triggering event, while the context parameter provides runtime information about the Lambda function. If your Lambda function depends on external libraries, you need to package them along with your function. For example, if your function uses the requests library, install it locally. The T flag specifies the target directory where the dependencies will be stored. Zip the Lambda function and its dependencies, if any, into a deployment package. In the terminal, run. This command creates a zip file named lambda_function.zip containing your Lambda function and the requests library. Use the AWS CLI to create and deploy the Lambda function. Replace your IAM role ARN with the ARN of an IAM role that has the necessary permissions for your Lambda function. Now that your Lambda function is deployed, you can invoke it using the AWS CLI. Check the output.json file to view the result of the Lambda function invocation. Congratulations! You've successfully created and deployed a simple Python Lambda function on AWS. This tutorial covers the basics, and you can explore additional configurations and integrations as needed for your specific use case. ChatGPT